Have you ever wondered how fast a sneeze travels? Buckle up, because it can zoom out at speeds over 100 miles per hour. That's like a cheetah sprinting in the wild. When you sneeze, your body forcefully expels air and tiny droplets to clear irritants from your nasal passages. And here's an amusing twist. Those droplets can actually travel up to 30 feet away. So when someone sneezes in public without covering their mouth, they're potentially sharing more than just their germs. But don't worry too much. Most of us instinctively cover our noses or mouths, turning this explosive reaction into a polite gesture. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, be ready for takeoff.